Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with my cloud haul from the pre-order colors, and I just wanted to do a video because I have so many questions about which ones I wanted / which ones I got, and I'm just gonna come out here right here. I know I have a lot of clouds. I am an addict. Tiki is one of my best friends in the whole entire world, and I'm really addicted, and there's a lot more coming, and it's crazy. But I just wanted to come on here and say that first and just give you a quick little look. I love them so much. They're my prized possessions. They're just so beautiful. But let's go into talking about the individual colors and just kind of showing you them a little bit more in depth. If you guys don't know, I am currently, let me move all of my stuff on top of it. I'm using the Pearl Cloud for this year, and I love it so much. It's beautiful. It has a really nice metallic sheen, and she's getting a little chunky, as you can see. This is January to mid-June. I'm kind of a little behind on my stuff, but I'm currently working on I guess you could say another cloud setup for other things, but I'll be using different clouds every year, and the more I think about it, it's not I don't know why I have so many clouds, but it's okay. I just love them. And I have other ones. It's the same thing. Script stickers. Why do I have so many? I don't know. Just don't ask me questions. So this is I should have these names up. Even I helped name these dang things, and I honestly don't remember. So let me go ahead and go on to the Estelle Instagram. I should be more prepared. So let's see. So this one is called Lilac Daydream. It's beautiful. I told Tiki whenever we were the cloud was being envisioned last year, that she needed to do a lavender lilac color, and we went through so many different samples to get this color. It's so beautiful. All of the clouds have the same format as they did before. So they have the 2 buttons. So if it's super chunky, you can put it on the outer button. This still covers it, which is nice. Or if you want it tighter, you can put it here. You have a pen loop. On the side, you have a card pocket. You have 2 regular pockets. Both of these are lined, which is nice. You have pockets here, which they go as deep. They're not short. They're they go the whole way in. Pocket, 2 pockets. You have your strings, you have your rings, which they're so intense about their rings, really intense. And then you have your strings, your secretarial pockets again, and then your back. I love this planner so much. I do have 2 new inserts to show you guys. So this one here is a monthly. So they're monthly. We do have kits in the shop. They do say AE or Estelle monthly on them. We have 3 currently right now, and I am just in love with them. I love that they're 1.5 inch wide boxes. That makes it really easy to use your leftovers in here, or if you have a huge multicolor collection, you can get really crafty. You don't even have to buy a kit if you don't want to. You can get crafty with washi and stuff, or extras from a kit, and just make a whole monthly, which is awesome. Or like I said before, if you buy a monthly, let's say Magique, and you need extra labels, you can buy the label sampler add-on, and then you have extra ones of those. Or vice versa. Let's say you have the monthly and you have the weekly and then the monthly. You can use the weekly and then use your extras in your monthly. It just makes it really great. It's just you could do anything you want. And then there's also you can use the foiled boxes. You can use bougie headers, whatever you want to use, because everything is 1.5, which I just think makes sense. So this one here is the non-clustered. I believe that this one is called 1011. I'll link both of them down below. I don't know if I'm going to leave all the restock information down below for you guys. I have to go over it with Tiki again just to make sure that I'm 100% clear. But this one is the non-clustered version. So the idea of these is that you can slip them into your inserts currently anytime that you want, and they will have the week on the back. So if you put this in, you got your monthly, so you put them in wherever you need them. So I have that one for my planner, and I did just do a little mock spread using one of our kits, and I think it turned out super cute. I am going to be doing videos using the monthly kits, so really excited about that. And then this one is the cluster. So it has a front page, a back page, and then every single page is a monthly. So if you wanted just to put these in the front of your planner, you could totally do that. I feel like it's a pretty much 50-50 divide on like if people like them in their planner, like, you know, have your weeks of July and then have your monthly August, have your weeks of August, have your monthly September, or if they like just having them in the front. So you have both options, which is really awesome. So I'll leave those linked down below and any restock information on those. I also have a couple more planners to show you guys. So this one here, my phone, why you need that? Okay, this one is called Sugar Coral, and it did come in silver and gold hardware. Also, the Lilac Daydream did come in silver and gold as well. I haven't even opened these, but I'm gonna show you guys how they come. So that had like a big foam piece in it so that it doesn't crush the rings or like you make any weird indents in travel. There's also these 2 pieces of like cardstock, something thick. You also have the protection on the ring, so it's a piece of plastic so you don't get any scratches or anything like that. The gold rings are so pretty. I do think the gold rings are a little bit golder than last time. So beautiful. A lot of these like would look good with any of the not foil colors, the hardware, like gold or silver. So I picked gold for this one. I just thought it'd be a really fun like pop. So again, that one's Sugar Coral. I also have Rose Quartz, which we tried to think of a name for this one for like 100 years. There's some weird names being thrown out. There's a lot. She wanted to call it something Tutu, I think, and I was like, Tutu? Well, it's funny because I feel like I like the name Tutu more now because I love my villager Tutu. He is, or actually she. I just feel like I get like guy vibes from Tutu, but I don't know. But I love this one so much, but I love Rose Quartz. It's just so pretty, and I did do gold with this one. This one had the option for gold and silver, but it's a really perfect baby pink. I wish I had something like to compare it to, but it's a gorgeous baby pink. I also have the Meteor Dust, so this is a metallic silver color. This is the one that Kirsten picked up, and this one is fire. Tiki also didn't want to do like silver and gold planners, but I was like, you need to. They're basics. They're beautiful, and this is amazing. It's just so, it's extra, but it's like perfect extra, and especially if you're a silver lover, this would also look dope with like a hollow like layout setup. I filmed a haul today, and I put away all my character stickers, and I feel like my brain's mush now. And last but not least, I also got Fiery Flamingo, which is coming off a little bit more red. But it's definitely like a really bright coral. And then this one only came in silver, so I have it in silver, and it is so pretty, so fun, very like summer vibes. It's really pretty with the pink strings. Pull these out. Honestly, don't really know which one's my favorite. I kind of want to say the purple and the silver are my favorite, but I also love the rest of them. Let me see. Like these 2 are like amazing. Like this is like, it just reminds me of like a astronaut's like jacket or something. I don't even know if astronauts wear silver, but I just imagine them to. And then the purple, like they're so pretty. But I just wanted to do a little video showing you guys which ones I got and kind of like go over them, because I know a lot of people have been asking me, you know, which planner did you get? Which one did you pick up? Well, I needed like all of them. I'm gonna set up my little thumbnail while I'm talking to you guys, but I am just obsessed with the cloud. You guys know that. And I just wanted to show you guys them in a video, and oh, they're so pretty. Let me know which clouds you guys picked up, if you guys picked up any, or what your favorite one was, or what you're hoping for in the future. That would be really fun. So that is everything for this video. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'll try and answer them as much as I can, as best as I can, and I'll also try and leave like restock information, any like information Tiki has down below as well. But otherwise, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.